Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Welcome back. Today I want to talk about setting boundaries in your life. And I read once that no is a complete sentence. I love that. I thought that was so beautiful. No is a complete sentence. Because as Catholic moms, we want to serve others. We want to invite them into our homes. We want to be kind and charitable. But sometimes we think that means we have to say yes to everything. And then even when we begin to understand that we don't have to say yes to everything, and we start thinking about saying no, we get a little either defensive or squeaky. I like to talk about squeakiness when we kind of give all of our reasons. So we'll say, no, I can't do that. But it's because and I'm doing this thing and then my husband and then the kids and the soccer and then, and I just can't. Right? We're so worried that person is going to be upset at us or think something about us that we create this fast talking story, whether it's true or not, right? Just to say no. And instead we can just say no. Do you want to volunteer at the fall festival? No. Do you want to come to my daughter's birthday party? No. I say no to a lot of things. I'm getting better and better at it. Sometimes I still offer an explanation. Sometimes I don't. I was just sharing with somebody the other day that one of the things I've had to give up as my business has been growing is helping my friend at the soup kitchen in our parish. So we have a soup kitchen that serves people in need on Fridays, and they make all these amazing soups. And some people just drop the soups off, but my friend organizes once a month all these Catholic moms to go to the parish and cook in the big commercial kitchen. And she brings all the recipes and tells everyone what to bring, and then they make a bunch of soups. And it's usually 4 hours, and the kids are kind of playing in the parish hall. And it's such a fun activity. I had so much fun. Like, imagine your kids actually playing with each other in the parish hall and then getting to make soup with your friends. So fun. But as I was getting busier with my business, and I work 30 hours a week, but the 30 hours kind of is all over the place because I'm a coach and then I have meetings. And so it's not like I work 8 to 3 or something like that. And I block out some big buckets of time. I block out daily mass on Wednesdays and Fridays. I block out time to teach Catechesis of the Good Shepherd on Thursdays. And then in the summer, when that goes away, we turn that into Park Day. And then Tuesday nights during the school year are religious education classes. And then once a month, I was doing a homeschool group. It's in the summer. We'll start up again in the fall. And so it was just starting to be true that I just couldn't quite make that anymore. And I was sad because I liked it and it was fun. But I really sat down and I looked at my calendar and I thought about what was important to me and where I was going. And God has asked me to build a very specific business. I know exactly where I'm going, both on the life coaching side and in the business coaching side. And I'm excited. And He's called me to some big, scary things. And I know I'm going to help so many women. And it just became a chapter of my life where I couldn't fit soup kitchen in. I wasn't willing to block out 4 or 5 hours once a month for that. And so I just said, no, I can't do that. And it was so calm and peaceful for me because I didn't think that my friends would think anything about me. Or if they did, it wouldn't bother me if they wanted to talk to me about it. I could explain. And what I would explain is, we've kind of chosen the things that we're going to do, and this isn't one of them. Now, I don't really see myself ever letting Atrium go. I love teaching Catechesis of the Good Shepherd, so I'll probably always protect that. But we can't do everything. And that's okay. God doesn't ask us to do everything. By the way, there's tons of people who go do the soup kitchen thing. They weren't hurting for people. Right? And so for some other mom, that's her favorite thing to block and protect on her calendar. No is a complete sentence. I want you to sit down. I want you to look at your calendar, and I want you to say, if you're busy, if you're feeling like busy and overcommitted, what's important to me? What is God asking me to do? What's He asking me to protect? And what am I just holding on to because I'm embarrassed to say no? And just get clear with yourself about that. Keep it and don't feel bad, or say no and explain yourself, or not. You don't have to. I hope that is a gift to you today. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day.